rough-legged buzzard chased away the goshawk, and now the rough-legged buzzard is down. This is awesome. Wow, I'm so glad I did come back here. I'm so glad. I'm sorry, guys, that I had to take you with me in this place again, but I had to visit it again. I had to use the hike one more time. To move my camouflage in a different way because of the wind today, so I was a little bit curious about how the birds gonna react to that, but it looks good. Take a look at this. Isn't this beautiful? This lovely goshawk. So I'm sorry that there's so many videos now on birds of prey, but I couldn't resist coming back to this low height. It was so awesome last time I was here, and I had to try some other thoughts that I had when I look at the picture and look at the area. So I had to change the camouflage a little bit just to get a different view of the background and foreground. So I hope that's okay for you guys. But yeah, I will do a different video next time. Big female. It's outside now. It's just chased away the young goshawk. Now the goshawk flew away, but I can hear a bird behind me in the woods, so might be some more activity. It's good to have some energy when you're waiting for that many hours. The rough-legged buzzard chased away the goshawk, and now the rough-legged buzzard is down. This is awesome.   awesome. buzzard is here is because they nest in the mountain, and in the mountain there is snow now, and it's so hard for them to find food. The main source for food is rodents, like mice or some other stuff that I don't know what it's called in English, but they cannot find it there, so they are forced to come to our coast, because here it's much more warmer climate. I think they are really happy that we are putting out some roadkill. What excites me about the low angle hide is I have so many pictures before earlier years with birds and a stick and in the environment, and also flight shots. So I had a dream to get different perspective with diffuse foregrounds and separated from everything, just to concentrate on the bird, because I think the birds of prey, they have such different characters, and I wanted to show that. And if you isolate the bird with diffuse foreground and background, I think you can see that coming through in a different way. Therefore, I'm excited about using the low height to get that different perspective. But I know that not everybody likes that type of picture with a diffuse foreground, but that's okay. That's what I like, and I also, like I said, I got many pictures of the bird on a branch or a stump or whatever, and in flight as well. Now is the Kawasaki back. I'm so glad I did come back here. I'm so glad. I can't believe how many birds there are today. This is wild. I know a lot of you guys want to know how this hide is made, so I'm going to try to film a little bit when I'm done, but I cannot be here too long because I don't want to disturb the birds in the area. So the hide itself, it's made of a type of foam. I'm not sure what it's called. That's like just pulled over, and at the different ends is wood, and we have two hatches, one in down low and one in about 30-40 centimeters above, and it's really light, so we can carry it around because of the foam. So we have also a rope in the end that we can drag this where we want. It's not that high, so I can sit up, but I cannot stand up. So it's when you're laying here a long time, you just start to feel that the back is hurting and the neck is hurting. You do need to move a little bit around so you don't get stiff. This is it. I I had a really great time. It was a lot of activity. Today I think it was more birds than ever that I have been here. So I'm so glad that I choose this for my start in 2019. I hope you enjoyed it as well. So if you're new here, I hope you consider subscribing. Maybe give me a thumbs up. That would help me a lot. And you can also press the bell underneath and you will get a notification every time I upload a new video. This has been awesome. Thank you for watching, and I see you in the next one. Bye.